Viewers, the Narendra Modi government-led centre has opened up a fresh round of lateral recruitments from the private sector and from elsewhere into senior posts in bureaucracy. What does this mean? Let's tell you about it. The UPSC, in its latest ad, has called for applications for 45 mid-level posts in about 24 ministries. What does this mean? Like we've been telling you, there are about 10 posts that have been opened up for joint secretary role. There are 35 posts that have been opened up for directors and deputy secretaries via lateral entries into 24 ministries. Now, this since 2019 is the largest lateral entry that we are getting to know. Now, the roles of director, joint secretary and deputy secretaries will soon be filled up by laterals. Now, this is a part of the Modi government's ambitious plan to infuse fresh talent and to, in fact, improve ease of governance. But what does this mean? Let's break it down graphically for our viewers. UPSC has issued an ad for lateral entry into bureaucracy, and this ad came in yesterday. Now, this lateral recruitments will take place for senior posts in bureaucracy. A total of 45 posts have been advertised by the UPSC, and this happened, like I told you, it happened yesterday. The posts are that of joint secretary, the director, deputy secretary, and it has been opened up for 24 ministries. This move is to tap into domain experts in the private sector to, in fact, bring in more talent into bureaucracy. It does not extend reservations to SCs, STs and OBCs when it comes to lateral recruitments in bureaucracy. The opposition is calling it a move against reservation, and that's the biggest criticism of this move by the Narendra Modi government. And why has the government decided to do this? Because as per the government's logic, this will bring in more talent, this will bring in more domain expertise, and this will further improve ease of governance. Now, what does the Congress say? The Congress is calling it a deliberate bid by the BJP to sideline the SCs, the STs and the OBCs. They are further going on to say that the BJP has now made a double attack on reservation, and that's their biggest criticism. And Mallikarjun Kharge, the chief of the Congress party, says that this is a well-planned conspiracy by the BJP to keep SCs and STs out of bureaucracy. Now, the RJD goes on to say that this is a dirty joke on reservation system and the Constitution of India. Then Tejaswi Yadav also says that this is denying SCs, STs and OBCs their rightful share in governance. And another criticism coming in by the RJD is that Dalits, OBCs, tribals must wake up to what the Bharatiya Janata Party is doing. So these are the kind of reactions coming in from the opposition, viewers, and they are calling this a strike on reservation. They are calling this an attempt by the BJP to, in fact, snatch away the rightful share of SCs, STs and OBCs from governance. Let's listen into the first reaction coming in from the Congress party.
So far, between 2017 and 21, 52 appointments took place at the same levels through lateral entry, and no SC, ST reservations were adhered to. So there is a conspiracy being hatched by the government and the ruling party to ensure backdoor entry and dilute reservation. Therefore, when Mr. Rahul Gandhi says that out of 90 secretaries of Government of India, only 3 belong to the reserved category, he makes a lot of sense, and therefore the concern.
Reservation is the charge that is coming in from the Congress party and many leaders of the opposition who are, in fact, now accusing the Modi government of systematically trying to undermine reservations. Now, we've told you all about why the government wants to open up recruitments via lateral entry. As per the logic of the government, this will in fact bring in experts into bureaucracy, and this will further make it smoother when it comes to ease of governance. Niyamika is joining us. Niyamika, the Congress party is up in arms, and it's not the first time that they have criticized lateral entry, especially when it comes to bureaucracy. Take us through the latest reactions coming in from the Congress party.
Well, indeed not just the Congress party, but the other opposition parties are also attacking the government of India for making this kind of move, as they are saying that this is nothing but just an attempt on the part of the government of India to attack the system of reservation in our country, and that's the only reason why there is no reservation which has been given in these 45 positions of the lateral entry, and that's the reason why the politics is also erupting over this entire matter. We have also spoken to several of the leaders within the Congress party, as whether it is the Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge or the chief spokesperson Mr. Pawan Khera, they all have attacked the BJP government, as they are saying that this is nothing but just an attempt on the part of the BJP government to give a backdoor entry, and that's the only reason why they have also said that the statement which was being given by the leader of opposition in Lok Sabha, Mr. Rahul Gandhi, within the parliament, that out of the 90 secretaries of the government of India, only some of the people belongs to the OBC category, and that's the question which the Congress party has been continuously asking, and that is why they are also saying that whatever allegation was being levelled against the BJP government by Rahul Gandhi was absolutely correct, because they are just trying to undermine the spirit of the constitution. They want to attack the constitution, and that's the only reason why they are not ready to give the reservations in these positions of the secretaries or joint secretaries in these lateral entries which are being given by the government of India in this latest move.
So Niyamika is there getting us the latest. Thank you, Niyamika, for joining us. But let's also go across to Ankit, who is in the newsroom, and he will take us through the tweets of leaders in the opposition, from the Aam Aadmi Party to the Congress to the RJD. Opposition leaders, especially in the India bloc, are questioning this move by the government. And what is their contention? Ankit, take us through those responses.
So let's start with the notification in question. So Sanjeev Sanyal, member of the Economic Advisory Council to the Prime Minister, had put out, essentially shared what was a newspaper advertisement. As you can see here, Sagarika, it contains about 45 positions for which they are inviting applications, including from people who are lateral entries in the sense that they can join from industry if they are experts or have experience or are professionals in the realm. This is something that they can look at. They don't have to go through the entire UPSC rigmarole that we know so well, and these are for joint secretary and director level posts, so high level posts. Now let's take a look. We've spoken, and you've spoken already, about the Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge, and he says that this is a double attack on reservation. The Modi government has issued advertisements. He says, is there reservations for SC, ST, OBCs and economically weaker sections in this? So that is his contention. He says it's part of a well-planned conspiracy. The BJP is deliberately making such recruitments and jobs so that SC, ST, OBCs can be kept away. Now Mayawati, three-part thread, and she says the decision of the direct recruitment to 45 high posts of secretary, director, deputy secretary at the center is not correct, because the employees working on lower posts through direct recruitment will be deprived of the benefits of promotion. So Mayawati, first point is this. Second, she says, along with this, if people from SC, ST, OBC categories are not given appointments in proportion to their quota in these government appointments, then it will be a direct violation of the constitution. And third, in her series of tweets, let's see what this says. It says, and filling these high posts by direct appointment without making any rules would be arbitrary on the part of the BJP government, which would be illegal and unconstitutional. So Mayawati, who is not extremely active these days in UP political circles, is raising a voice on this. Next, we have Akhilesh Yadav, and you can see the size of the thesis he's penned on this. His point is that the time has come to launch a nationwide movement against the conspiracy being hatched by the BJP to place its ideological allies in high government positions through the back door in UPSC. So this is a fresh allegation, Sagarika, a fresh insinuation. The BJP is attempting to place its ideological allies in high government posts through the back door. Your method will close the door for today's officers as well as for the youth to reach higher positions in the present and future. So this is how the INDI bloc, well, SP and the Congress as well as the BSP of Mayawati think that this will impinge on the constitution.
Yes. So arbitrary, unconstitutional, illegal, and an attempt to snatch away rights from the backward classes. That in a sense is the allegation that's now coming in from the INDIA bloc, and also, like Ankit has pointed out, from Mayawati, the BSP Supremo. Let's go back to Niyamika, who's also tracking more developments. Niyamika, take us through the strategy that the opposition is set to, in fact, devise when it comes to this move, because clearly they will now make it about, or they will accuse the government of, in fact, trying to strike down or, through backdoor entry, bring in people into governance, into bureaucracy, and also take away or undermine reservations. What is the strategy of the Congress party when it comes to this entire political flashpoint over lateral entries?
Well, like you have read the tweet which is being made by Akhilesh Yadav, he has made an allegation that this is an attempt on the part of the BJP to give the key positions within the government of India to their ideological allies. As this is not something new which Akhilesh Yadav has alleged upon the BJP. It has been said by many other opposition parties, many other India bloc parties, which also includes the Congress, as they had also questioned that the BJP is trying to give the important positions within the government to their ideological allies. And that's what even Pawan Khera has also said when we have spoken to him, as he said that they are trying to give the backdoor entry to all these people, and that's the only reason why he has said that we are not expecting any kind of clarification which will be given by the government of India regarding this entire matter, because he has also pointed out that since 2019 to 2021, out of there were 52 positions which were being given by the government of India through lateral entry for these important positions, whether it is about the secretaries or the joint secretaries. But even in these particular positions, even in these posts, there were no reservation which were being given to OBC, SC, ST or the other backward classes. And for that reason, they have said that we are going to continuously raise this entire matter, because the BJP is trying to undermine the spirit of the constitution. They want to attack the constitution, and that's the only reason why they are making such kind of moves.
Majorly, one question, Niyamika, leaders of the opposition are asking, why is there an attempt by the Bharatiya Janata Party to surreptitiously or through backdoor take away the rightful share of backward classes when it comes to top positions in governance? We also have a reaction coming in from the BJP. Leaders of the BJP strongly countering the kind of narrative that is being pushed by the Congress party and allies in the INDIA bloc when it comes to the government's lateral entry move in bureaucracy. Let's listen into Ajay Alok of the Bharatiya Janata Party.
9वीं फेल संविधान सिखाता है और 80 साल का एक वयोवृद्ध समझदार राजनीतिक उसको इंडोर्स करता है। ये देश का लोकतंत्र है। द आयरनी ऑफ द डेमोक्रेसी इज a 9th fail teaches the constitution of this country. An 80-year-old experienced politician endorses it. Nowhere it says that we cannot have the lateral entry. The lateral entry is always for the betterment of the country. लेकिन देश के विकास से इनको मतलब नहीं है।
Time now for us to take a short break. Niyamika, thank you for joining us with all those details. The BJP says that lateral entry will in fact provide a boost to fresh talent when it comes to governance.